Hey guys, super secret quick tip. Actually, it's not so secret, but it is quick and it is pretty cool. If you are on a Facebook page, it could be your Facebook page, it could be anybody's Facebook page, and you scroll down to page transparency and you click that, it'll tell you all about when the page was created, changed its name, what the history was, but more than that, you can see whether or not the page is running ads. And if they are, you can see what the ads are. So I'm not running ads right now. We can't see anything. But it's a really cool thing to be able to do if you are curious what the successful players in the market are doing. So let's see what ads Facebook is running. Page transparency. Go to ad library. We can see what ads Facebook is running in Turkey, Brazil, Singapore, all of these things. Look at this. Okay. It's kind of cool. If Facebook is running ads like this, maybe that's an indicator that these ads work. All right, another person that I follow, and apparently, even though I like him, I haven't liked his page because I belong to his group. Page transparency, see more? Currently running ads. You can kind of see if you're not getting the ads, maybe if it's your competitor, you can see what kinds of ads they're running and get an idea of where you stand in the space. So, oh look, he's promoting that. He's like, you can see, and this guy is super successful. So if he's running ads that look kind of like this, and I maybe want to move into the space, or if maybe I'm a photographer and want to move into that space, you can see what his copy is, you can see what he's highlighting. Look, he uses the little green check mark emoji. It's kind of fun. You feel like you're spying on people, but it's a page transparency. It's right there for anyone to see. They are bound to be running ads. Okay. They are on top of their social media game. Yes, this page is currently running ads. No, check it out. Gosh, look at the lighting. Look at these. Beautiful. All right, so if I wanted to start making wedding advertisements, I would come here. I'd look at, in general, what they're doing. Okay. Unfortunately, I can't tell what's working and what's not working. But it is kind of cool that if you're not receiving the ads from the company that you want to know what ads are being made, you can look them up. And if they are currently running ads, you will see them. Perhaps if you kind of keep touching base, you might hit them when they are running ads. But that is just a fun little tip for our Tuesday tutorial. Okay, let's cut down that 95%. Sweet, I hope you learned something. Bye!